What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna start talking about my first Airbnb. We're gonna go from start to finish into those series. So make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe, and enjoy the transformation of this not so good property into that amazing Airbnb that's gonna become at the end.
Alright, so this is the property. I'm gonna take a video outside first. It's a one bedroom. Bedroom's there, living room's here. I'm just gonna do a walkthrough outside because it's getting dark soon, so I can catch at least the outside. Looks pretty good. Maybe some paint. I don't know. I don't know if that needs paint or not. That might need to be replaced. The gutters, I've put them on. You're gonna see on a closer inspection how they look like. Alright, this is the backyard. That might be, maybe needs some fixing or something, I don't know. That might be removed. That definitely needs to be removed. Maybe we're gonna put another one here. You're gonna suggest me what to do, guys? Let me just come here. I'm just looking for snakes because I'm pretty scared. This might become like a little kind of fire pit thing. So this is the back. And that's that. That's for the outside. I'm gonna go inside now and take a video and pictures. Alright, here's the property. I'm gonna record from my phone because I didn't take any camera, but hopefully you see how it looks like before we start. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna redo all the floor because as you can see here, it's not amazing. We're gonna redo the kitchen, all the baseboards. Here are some materials that already came. This is the flooring, I believe. Some fixtures we're gonna change. We're gonna change the fans because they're old. Now we go into the living room. Here we're gonna place maybe a small table. Let's go to the living room. As you can see, this is another reason why the flooring needs to be done. Also, here, the floor is not done properly. This needs to go under the baseboard, but it doesn't. I don't know who did it. I want to leave this. My contractor said it looks cheap, but I think it gives it character, to be honest. And then here, maybe we're gonna do a sliding harmonica type of door. We'll see. And now we're going to the bathroom. We're gonna change the whole bathroom. Whoops. So this all will go out and we're gonna change the whole thing. New toilet, new vanity. What up? And that's how the property looks like now. Stay tuned for how everything is gonna go. This will be granite. This will be granite. And yeah, see, they even like measured it already. Good. I am paying pretty much for everything. I'm not doing anything myself. Oh, repaint the wall. We're gonna do bullet silver. I'm paying for everything. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna let the contract do what they do best, and we'll see how it's gonna go, guys. Well, this is outside. Not bad. I want to see this a little bit replaced. Sorry if it's shaky. I'm just holding the camera in my hands. But the gutters, I've installed the gutters myself, you can tell. But and a new door as well. Maybe we're gonna change that green color, but we'll see how it's gonna go, guys.
About a couple weeks later, the contractor came in and started working, and here you're gonna see footage of when they actually prepped the place for them to install floors, paint, and so on and so forth.
All right. I came here for a little bit just to see where they at. Floor is getting done. As you can see, everything is wrapped for painting. Everything is prepped for painting. I'm guessing they will paint soon. And then the AC is off, it's so hot. And then after the paint, floors, kitchen stuff. And that's gonna be it. And the bathroom. Oh, there's already paint here? No. False alarm. but the fixture is gone. So yeah, we're working. It's a little bit delayed, but what are you gonna do? Let's see the bathroom. Oh, the tub is already installed. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. What's up? It's my umbrella. It's raining outside. The tub is installed. Okay. Good. Good.
Alright guys, in the next few videos you're gonna see what I do with the backyard and how I furnish the place thoroughly. We're gonna talk a little bit about the numbers. I hope you guys enjoyed that content. You know what to do. Hit like, sub, and I'll see you in the next one.